How to choose a strong and easy password. As the technology evolves, we are always trying our best to hide our personal information so as not to be exposed to someone unauthorized. But some of us are still vulnerable to bad persons that are known as black hat hackers. Most black hat hackers are now able to steal vulnerable account information like usernames and passwords. And the most annoying things to the end users is that they don't know how to choose a strong password to secure their accounts or properties that they value the most. If you have any concern about all that, then this video is the best fit for you. And in this video we are going to look together what a strong password is, example of bad passwords people use, how to create a strong password, and the myths about strong passwords. It is known that many people tend to neglect the policy for strong password creation and always use weak password because, they are more likely to forget it when they use the hardest one. But that is not a good practice for a smart person. I know, one time you ask yourself, what is a strong password? Well, a strong password is a password that is so hard to guess, long, easy to remember, don't have any relation with yourself, don't contain any birthday date, don't contain repetitive numbers or characters, have a special character in it, don't contain any dictionary word, and many other factors. Bad guys or black hat hackers use what we call brute force to try all possible password combinations that can match your password. So, if you use the short password and easy password, they can crack it in less time and access your personal data in no time as well. Let's have some examples of the weak passwords people like to use. We can take it for example, 1234. Password: I love her, my love, my baby, administrator, Bob123, Chris at 456, test at 123, allow him, etc. After seeing all bad practices on weak passwords, let's try to create the strongest password but that is easy to remember and easy to use. In here we're going to make a password that is 8+ characters long, have a number in it, have an uppercase letter in it, have a special character in it, and have no personal match with myself, and lastly, easy to remember. Here we go. Let's say 222 summer loading 30%. 30 over 100 is 0.3. JKY and Bob are 100% rare. You can base on the above concept to create your own strong password that you can easily remember whenever you are going to log in and enhance your security online. Here are some myths about strong passwords that you have to avoid. There are some passwords that can be composed by all the above but still vulnerable to attackers and users can still get compromised. For example, never make a password like this one: Jonathan123, Bill2020, Christian like that one, Betty at mine. Even though they seem strong, they are not. So consider avoiding passwords like those ones. This marks the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it so much, and if so, slap the like button and now subscribe. Peace.